This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea. First, you'll need your favorite tea bags, some water, and plenty of ice. Start by boiling about 8 ounces of water. Once it's boiling, add 2 to 3 tea bags to the hot water. Let them steep for a quick 3 minutes to get a nice, strong concentrate. This quick steep is key for our 5-minute method. After steeping, remove the tea bags from the concentrate. Now, add another 8 ounces of cold water to dilute the tea. This brings it to a perfect drinking temperature. If you like your tea sweet, this is the time to stir in your preferred sweetener, like sugar or honey. Give it a good mix and taste it, adjusting the sweetness until it's just right for you. Now for the best part, grab a tall glass and fill it generously with ice cubes. The more ice, the colder your tea will be. Carefully pour your freshly prepared iced tea over the ice. For an extra touch, you can garnish your glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. It adds a lovely aroma and a hint of extra flavor to your refreshing drink. For the best possible flavor, always try to use filtered water when brewing your tea. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of tea, like green tea or herbal blends, to find your favorite iced tea. And speaking of great ideas, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book and other helpful deals. It's a resource that could truly make a difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.